모두가 즐거운 크리스마스에 무거운 발걸음으로 집으로 돌아가는 한 여자. 엄마의 목소리에 반응한 얼리사는 등골이 서늘해지는 광경을 목격합니다. 착각인가 싶어 그녀는 2층인 자기 방으로 가 엄마에게 전화를 겁니다. 그런데 이때 잠시 후 진짜 엄마가 집으로 돌아오지만 얼리사의 모습은 보이지 않고
So it's a silent treatment, is it?
결국 잔뜩 겁에 질린 표정으로 그녀는 스스로 목숨을 끊고 맙니다.
Don't even think about trying to scare me. But don't.
Oh, don't. Exams are over.
이제 화면은 시험이 끝나 들뜬 로시와 렌을 비추는데요.
This way, madam. Cheers, my dears. Where'd you get that?
Kieran.
이때 로시는 금요일에 파티가 있다는 소식을 듣습니다.
All right, Taz.
Greetings all. So I'm guessing it'll be more the same at Becky Fox's this Friday.
Got an invite too.
Yeah, ditto.
Stress to impress. Dress to impress.
야, 런지 삼아.
그렇게 파티에 가기로 한 이들은 각자의 시간을 보냅니다. 그때 친구 렌이 비밀 연애를 한다는 것을 안 로시.
I need a piss.
기분이 우울해진 로시는 혼자서 들판에 누워있다 누군가가 보낸 메시지를 확인하는데요. 그렇게 로시는 뭔가 소름 끼치는 어플 하나를 설치하게 됩니다.
Morning, sunshine. How's it feel to be free of exams?
집안이 가난했던 로시는 쌍둥이 동생들을 매일 챙기며 씩씩하게 살고 있었는데요. 그런데 그날 밤 로시는 어제 깔았던 어플에게서 날아온 이상한 메시지를 보게 됩니다. 호기심에 어플의 지시를 따라보는 로시.
Rose red, will these things from out my head?
그리고 다음날 로시는 자신의 집 앞에 놓인 무언가를 발견합니다. 그건 바로 파티용으로 안성맞춤인 드레스와 신발이었죠.
I have to go out this evening, okay? You're not to let anyone in the house except me or Dad. Okay, thank you.
그렇게 새 드레스와 신발을 신고 로시는 파티장으로 들어섭니다.
You look fantastic. Cheers.
이때 어플에게서 렌의 남친 노아에게 키스하라는 메시지가 오자 그녀는 일단 무시하는데요. 그런데 이때 어플이 쌍둥이 동생이 찍힌 사진을 보여주며 로시를 협박하기 시작합니다. 결국 노아에게 향하는 로시.
I'll look after him.
불길한 마음의 로시는 황급히 집으로 달려가는데요.
Sol.
I need you to both wait here. I need you to wait here for me. You're fine. You're fine.
노래 소리가 들리는 2층으로 향하자 죽은 어머니의 영상이 보이고 인기척이 없자 그녀는 혹시나 하는 마음에 휴대폰에 카메라를 켜봅니다.
Why are we sleeping here?
Lie down. I love you.
I love you more.
이상한 현상이 계속 벌어지자 그녀는 어플을 없애기로 하죠.
Fuck this. Do you believe in ghosts?
No. But your mum did.
Why'd she do it?
Your mum, she had her demons. Problems, love. She loved you, though.
사실 로시의 어머니는 정신병을 앓다 스스로 목숨을 끊었었죠.
To out your breath.
Hey, love. I'm with you wherever you go.
Can't be. No way.
And I'm going nowhere.
한편 로시의 친구 렌은 그녀가 노아에게 키스한 것이 계속 마음에 걸립니다.
Rochelle's sly. She kissed Noah, and she's been ignoring my calls. I don't get her. I've done no wrong.
I know it feels like your entire world's turning up. Things will turn out right.
그 시각 로시는 동생들을 학교에 데려다주다 우연히 친구를 만나는데요.
You okay? I don't know why you did that to Ren, and Noah has no idea why you kissed. Ignoring the rest of us when we've been messaging you.
What are you on about?
I've been messaging you. Said sorry to Ren. I fucking apologized.
Rush, I've got nothing from you.
Oh, you know what? Just fucking tell Ren. I'm gonna sort it out.
어플이 깔린 이후 어째선지 자신의 메시지가 친구들에게 닿지 않는 걸 안 로시는 편지를 들고 렌의 집으로 향합니다. 잠시 후 렌은 로시가 남긴 편지를 확인한 뒤 직접 그녀와 만나 얘기를 나눠보기로 하죠.
Is Rochelle about? I need to talk to her about something.
Yeah, I'm here.
결국 렌과 로시는 얘기를 나누려 하지만 로시는 죽은 엄마가 자기를 쫓아다닌다며 하소연합니다.
What? What? What are you showing me?
Oh my God, it's gone. Ren, did you not read any of that?
What happened to your mum was awful. Rosh, you know this don't make sense.
It knows me. It follows you round.
What does?
Fucking Red Rose!
Red Rose, Rosh, this is all you.
Ren! Michelle, don't love me! I can't even believe
렌에게 실망해 돌아온 로시는 어플이 두 사람이 싸우던 순간을 찍어 업로드한 걸 보는데요.
I didn't post that.
Your mates have abandoned you. There's no way to get them back.
어플에서 계속 엄마의 목소리가 나자 무덤까지 찾아와 본 로시.
Yes, it wasn't you.
I can take many forms, including yours.
Fucking Red Rose. Try it.
그렇게 로시는 휴대폰에 악령이 깃들었다 생각해 테마의식을 해보기로 하죠. 그때
Christi epulento exultent cantate Deo psalmum dicite Patris
Rochelle, oh, you thought you wanted me alive. I'm here for you. I'll always be there for you.
결국 계속된 기현상에 점점 미쳐가기 시작하는 로시.
Like, I tried to help her. Any of you lot contacted her?
Yeah.
And she's ignored you, right? She keeps blaming all this weird shit on Red Rose.
What?
Rosh, when she kissed me, she said, "I'm sorry I had to do it." She said it was Red Rose.
Wrote me this letter blaming all her weird shit on Red Rose.
What else did this letter say?
Something about her phone, doing it all. She has to be lying. She mentioned her mum. There's no way that's real.
What happened to her mum? She took her own life.
Doesn't matter if what she's saying is true. It sounds like a cry for help.
로시가 걱정돼 집으로 찾아온 친구들.
What do we do?
I don't know.
Guys, she's posted something.
I'm going home.
묘한 타이밍에 올라온 포스팅에 친구들은 그만 돌아가고 맙니다.
Leave a message if you're not a twat.
Hey, Rosh. Can you message me? I'm worried about you.
Shalom.
Gosh, me. Dad, she won't let us in.
Rochelle. Rochelle.
결국 로시는 욕조에서 싸늘한 시신으로 발견됩니다. 렌은 그날 무정하게 돌아간 자신을 탓하며 로시의 죽음에 큰 의문을 가집니다.
She didn't kill herself.
She didn't kill herself.
하지만 로시의 죽음을 돌이킬 순 없었고 렌은 무력감을 느끼죠.
Ren, love, look, I know it's hard. You didn't see his face. Don't mention this in front of him. He's been through enough.
Ren.
Why'd Ross say that, Ren? I should never do this.
이때 렌은 죽은 로시의 휴대폰 번호로 온 메시지를 받고 충격에 빠지는데요.
I know. What are you doing? I'm gonna find out what happened to her.
결국 로시의 죽음을 밝혀내기 위해 렌도 레드로즈 어플을 설치하게 되죠.
Take a selfie with your wish.
You're doing what Rosh did.
Let me speak now with the dead. Red Rose.
Red Rose. Rose Red.
그때 죽은 로시의 얼굴이 어플 화면에 나타납니다.
It was Rosh.
Just delete it.
Do you not want to know what happened to Rosh?
This is dangerous.
I won't let anything hurt you.
이때 로시의 장례식에서 렌이 셀카를 찍은 듯한 사진이 올라오는데요.
Did you post a selfie with the mirror?
I couldn't have done.
그렇게 렌도 점차 이상한 현상들을 겪습니다.
Morning, loves. You want something to eat?
I'm good, Tar. I best head home. Thanks for letting me stay.
Well, you're welcome.
I'll see you at Vinny's.
Ren, what you said in the church.
I couldn't say no.
다음 날 집 앞이 핏자국으로 가득한 것을 목격하는 렌.
Why are you cleaning the path? Think you best get ready. Come on.
잠시 후 렌은 친구들과 함께 로시의 아버지를 찾아 교회에서 한 말을 사과하려 합니다.
Sorry about what I said at the church.
It's like she's still here. Probably another lasagna. Excuse me, kids.
What are you playing at with the mirror? It's bad enough everyone thinks you bullied Rosh without you copying her.
Rochelle was on my phone last night. I'm going for a piss.
친구들이 자신을 믿어주지 않자 렌은 우울해하며 화장실로 향하고 그때 그녀는 로시가 발견된 욕조를 마주하죠. 잠시 후 렌과 친구들은 헤어지는데요.
Text me, yeah?
You've just tagged me and you in a post saying we spent the night together.
You know I couldn't have done that.
It's using your camera.
Look, the two Jenners have already shared it. Slow. Oh.
누군가 렌의 계정으로 악성 사진을 올렸고 친구들은 그 사진을 공유하며 렌은 손가락질을 받기 시작하죠.
Ignore him. Ren, I'll say something to the two Jenners.
Just make it worse. They think that I stole her boyfriend and made her kill herself.
Ren, you have naught to be ashamed of. Don't let them get to you.
결국 남친인 노아가 나서는데요.
Well, hello there. So what's by all this pleasure?
Stop posting that Ren's a slut. She was Rosh's best mate. She had naught to do with her death.
It's pissed off. Jenna, we're going to Futch Factory tomorrow. Why don't you come talk to us about it there?
그 시각 렌은 로시의 동생들을 돌봐주다 로시에 관해 물어봅니다.
Can you remember what Rochelle was doing when she was looking after you?
It was something we couldn't see, and then I think saw.
What?
It was something by the back door. Rochelle's phone did that. You throw it away.
Hey, it's my little ladies.
Bye.
Thanks, love. Listen, I was wondering if you wanted to take some stuff of Rochelle's so it's, still used.
이에 렌은 로시의 방을 보다 레드로즈의 흔적을 발견하죠. 로시와 대화할 수 있다는 말에 일단 렌은 그녀의 무덤으로 향해 봅니다.
Ren? Are you there? Talk to me, you dickhead. Ren!
I'm so sorry.
다음 날 교회를 찾은 렌은 현재 사정이 있어 별거 중인 아버지 릭과 만나는데요.
It's really rubbish, Ren.
My fault.
No. Don't let them get to you. Before you do something you might regret.
Why am I not surprised?
What?
I downloaded this app. Something that I think had something to do with Rochelle's death. But it's hidden itself.
Try the screen grabbing thing next time.
You believe me?
Yeah, why wouldn't I?
그렇게 렌이 아버지와 만나 용기를 얻는 사이 그녀의 남친 노아가 렌의 험담을 공유하고 퍼뜨렸던 친구를 찾아갑니다.
We got you this.
Thanks. Leave Ren alone.
Straight to business.
노아는 친구들에게 부탁하지만 이미 그들은 렌이 로시를 해쳤다는 나쁜 편견을 가지고 있었죠.
What are you doing?
Here we go.
Right, look. It's not me. It's. I miss her.
그런데 이때 로시의 무덤 앞에서 우는 렌의 모습이 담긴 영상이 업로드됩니다.
Using Rochelle's death to get likes.
For alone, it's not her fault. It's Red Rose.
Right, I think we should all chill.
그렇게 서로에 대한 오해가 커지며 친구들은 렌에게 비수를 꽂아버리고 말죠.
Psycho much just running the family, eh?
결국 렌은 절친들을 모아 죽은 로시가 자기에게 말을 걸고 있다며 하소연을 해보는데요.
Is she speaking to me?
That's not Rochelle.
What is it then?
I found something. A girl called Alyssa. She's done similar stuff to Rochelle, with the same hashtags and all. Her timeline's normal, then she starts posting weird shit like Rochelle.
이때 얼리사란 여학생이 로시와 비슷한 일을 겪었다는 걸 알게 된 순간 렌에게 문자 메시지가 도착합니다.
Guys, look.
It's a sign. I don't think this is Red Rose.
Tomorrow, we'll go in Manchester.
그렇게 이들은 레드로즈에 대해 알고 있는 듯한 사람을 만나러 맨체스터로 향하고 그곳에서 의외의 인물과 마주치는데요.
This is the place. You're our rendezvous.
알고 보니 메시지를 보낸 건 컴퓨터의 빠삭한 반친구 자야였습니다.
Your phone.
It hides itself.
Was this it?
Rochelle.
What the fuck?
Oh my god.
이때 카메라에 로시의 모습이 보이고 렌은 그녀를 따라가 보는데요.
Oi, Ren! This way. You're getting so close to knowing what happened.
Great idea heading down a dark tunnel, isn't it?
Come on.
Ren?
그렇게 렌이 터널 안으로 들어서던 그때
Come on.
잠시 후 겨우 살아남은 렌은 자야에게서 레드로즈의 또 다른 희생자인 제이컵에 대한 이야기를 듣게 됩니다.
Jacob Taylor? Who's he? What's he got to do with anything?
And I'm pretty sure Red Rose had something to do with his suicide.
So it has happened to more than Rochelle.
Right, time to turn your phone off.
시간은 흐르고 자야는 렌의 핸드폰을 분석해 레드로즈가 해킹 프로그램이었다는 것을 알아냅니다.
It's not just listening. It has access to everything.
What is it then?
Wait, what? Where's she going now?
We're done here.
그렇게 이들은 레드로즈에 관해 더 자세히 알기 위해 제이컵의 집을 찾아가 보기로 하는데요.
Look at those eggs.
This is it.
Hello. Can I help you? Why are you all here?
We are so sorry for your loss.
I don't recognize any of you.
We only hung out with him at school.
Is all of Jacob's stuff still here?
I tried packing it away, but it felt like I was erasing him.
I'm gonna go to the toilet.
유품을 아직 안 치웠다는 말에 자야와 렌이 제이컵의 방으로 몰래 들어갑니다.
Shit.
What is it?
I don't know. Created it. Jacob weren't a victim of Red Rose.
결국 제이컵이 레드로즈의 창시자란 사실을 알게 된 이들.
Why would someone like Jacob create someone like Red Rose?
But the bigger question is, why didn't it stop after he died? Look, this thing can be anywhere. It can be everywhere. Please don't delete it. I think I can figure out what it is.
그렇게 자야는 렌의 휴대폰을 받아 레드로즈에 대한 조사를 이어가려 하지만 섬뜩한 전화 한 통을 받게 되죠.
Jaya? It's for you. He said his name is Jacob.
Jaya, hi, it's Jacob. I hope you found what you were looking for, because Ren, her time is up.
그리고 다음 날 렌과 친구들의 휴대폰에 수상한 타이머가 작동하고 있습니다.
Why? Turn your Wi-Fi off and everything that connects to the internet.
Jaya, what's going on?
Jacob Taylor called me last night.
What did he say?
Her time is up.
I know a time is counting down on our phones.
When does the timer end?
Midnight.
Like a fucked up Cinderella.
From now on, we only communicate with these. These don't go online, so they're safe.
Where'd you get these?
The drawer you keep old shit in.
Jaya, what have you found out?
I was going through this all night. This is like a diary. Coders have loads to remember. Jacob's written shitloads in here. I'm gonna rip it all, run it through a program, and hopefully figure out how Red Rose works.
How long will that take?
Days.
알고 보니 레드로즈가 광범위한 해킹 프로그램이란 걸 알게 된 이들은 혼란스러워하는데요.
What are you gonna do?
잠시 후 고민을 끝낸 렌이 이들에게 한 가지 제안을 하죠.
Boyfriend. What do you want to do?
Nothing. Red Rose tried to kill me yesterday and I'm still here. We're all still here. So we do Jaya's plan. No phones, no internet. We stay put till we get past midnight.
Oh, there's no food in.
그렇게 장을 보고 돌아가는 길에 렌은 모든 것이 자신을 감시하는 듯한 느낌을 받습니다.
You okay?
It's nothing.
버스를 타기가 찝찝해 택시를 타고 돌아가기로 하는 이들.
We're going the wrong way. We're going the wrong way. Stop!
What are you on about? I'm just following where the app is sending me.
결국 어떤 것도 믿을 수 없었던 이들은 걸어서 집까지 돌아갑니다.
You too?
Thank you.
To Rosh.
Oh, God.
그런데 이때 벨소리가 들리고
Be fine, Ren. Relax.
Good evening. Have you ever wondered about life after death? Let me tell you about the time in 1866.
4 hours to go.
We should do something fun to pass the time.
이때 또다시 울리는 벨소리.
Fuck me. It's Becky Fox.
그런데 어째선지 반 친구들이 파티가 열린다는 소식을 듣고 찾아왔다며 다짜고짜 들이닥치기 시작하는데
Taz, what the fuck, man? What can I do, Noah?
What, upstairs?
Where are they coming from?
It's Red Rose. Trying to smoke me out.
The code in this book doesn't fully match what I ripped off friend's phone. I'm trying to figure out why.
Okay, you're doing amazing, Daya. Thank you.
I don't fucking know. We need to hide you in a bunker.
No, you go down. I'm staying here.
I'll stay too.
I'll go.
I want to be with you.
No, go help Taz, all right? I'm going to barricade us in.
You coming?
Rosh was alone when she... But God's telling me to stay here, and so I want to be here.
Get out! Leah!
태즈는 자신의 집에서 나가라며 소리치지만 친구들은 이를 간단히 무시하죠.
Where the fuck are all these dicks coming from? Guys! It's winding down now! Fuck off!
한편 렌의 엄마와 노아의 엄마가 대화를 나누고 있는 곳에 렌의 아빠 릭이 찾아오는데요.
What are you doing here? Please, guys, no
I
trouble.
tried to call her and she's not answering her phone. She's told me it was doing something weird. She tried showing me something a few days ago and now I'm worried. Please will you tell me where she is, Shell, if you know.
She's at Taz's house.
그 시각 태즈의 집에선 갑자기 불이 꺼지더니 TV에서 로시의 얼굴이 나타납니다.
Michelle, she was on the TV!
It's Ren. She set this up.
Not getting enough attention, eh?
친구들이 다시 렌에게 비난을 퍼붓자 그녀는 도망치듯 집에서 나오는데요.
When your mom sent me. Get in.
이때 엄마의 직장 동료 사이먼이 나타나 태워주겠다 말하고 렌은 의심 없이 차를 얻어 탑니다.
Okay. I'll take you to the tea rooms.
Ren! You need to get him out of my house.
Right, come on, Pat is over.
I can't find Ren.
Guys, Jacob Tell didn't write all this code. Someone else has changed it. Where's Red?
She's not here.
She said Simon's taken her to Smithers.
한편 엄마가 운영하는 카페에 도착하는 렌과 사이먼.
Hey! You're one of Ren's mates.
I knew at Smithers.
What?
It's Simon.
Hey!
불길한 마음에 이들이 카페로 향하는 사이 사이먼이 렌을 뚫어지게 쳐다보고 있습니다.
Mom? Mom, gonna have a cake.
그렇게 렌이 무언가 수상함을 느끼던 바로 그때
Emergency, which service?
Help, please. I'm at Smithers Halls.
렌이 위기에 처하는 사이 친구들과 부모님도 이곳에 도착합니다.
No, Simon, please. Please, no.
Fuck alone.
I'm sorry, Mom.
Simon says.
What are you talking about?
이때 사이먼이 이상한 소리를 하며 망설이기 시작하는데요.
Forgive me.
그 시각 누군가의 방 안.
Yeah, just finishing the game as Simon says.
But was he though? Red Rose was too sophisticated.
Police said it ended with Simon.
I've been trying to link Simon to Jacob.
I think we should all just shut up. It's...
그 사건 이후 렌과 친구들은 어딘가 찝찝했지만 일단 사건이 정리됐다 생각하며 즐거운 시간을 보내고 있었습니다.
When do I actually get to see your place?
Sometimes it feels weird when you call me Dad.
Why?
I don't think I deserve it.
Dad, you're freaking me out.
그리고 별거 중이었던 렌의 아빠도 그 사건 이후 가까워지게 됐죠.
Hey, all your hard work will have paid off today.
한편 이들은 기말고사라는 또 하나의 시련을 마주합니다.
Thank God. Right, I need a drink.
Fucking hell, Ren.
Done all right?
Hi.
How did she do?
Don't know what she was worried about. Amazing.
Good day.
Hiya.
You sure?
그 시각 사이먼 사건 이후 다시 렌의 엄마와 화해하는 릭.
God trusted him.
Stop whipping yourself.
She's here.
What's going on?
No, love, your dad's just here to see how you got on. Jesus. Ren, these are fantastic.
Has something happened?
No.
Okay.
Well, that went well.
한편 앤토니는 제이컵의 집을 찾아 그의 엄마와 다시 이야기를 나눠보는데요.
Always make more.
You must have worked really hard for these grades. How did your friends do?
They did amazing.
그때 제이컵의 엄마는 다시 찾아와줘서 고맙다며 답례로 제이컵의 아이패드를 선물로 줍니다. 그런데 제이컵의 아이패드에는 레드로즈 어플이 깔린 상태였고 앤토니는 곧장 자야에게 전화해 그녀와 함께 제이컵의 영상을 분석해보죠.
It's a deep website.
Jay, should we be doing this?
I thought Red Rose died with Simon.
Oh my God. Shit.
Jay, what is it?
The site just tried accessing our location.
Doesn't know where we are.
I don't know.
So, fuck it, just turn it off.
If we find out the password, we pull it back and we figure out what Red Rose really is. I'm going to watch them all and see if I can figure out the password from Jacob. Then I'll run it all through his encryption key.
그날 이후 자야는 제이컵의 영상을 보면서 그가 썼을 법한 비밀번호를 추측합니다.
Really don't get it. I wonder what it's like to have someone love you back.
그러다 자야는 제이컵이 얼리사란 여학생을 정말 사랑했고 그녀가 죽은 것을 알자 제이컵이 매우 슬퍼했다는 걸 알게 되는데
She's dead. I'm scared. It's not safe. It's not safe. It's the gardener. The gardener's.
The gardener? Who's the gardener?
하지만 정원사라는 닉네임만 알아냈을 뿐 다른 단서를 찾아내지 못한 자야는 스트레스를 풀기 위해 친구들과 시간을 보냅니다.
Still haven't figured out the password for the website yet. He was obsessed with Alyssa. He was scared of the gardener, but I'm not sure what that means.
Let's just talk about this tomorrow, yeah?
Yeah.
친구들과 놀며 자야가 잠시나마 머리를 식히던 그때 렌이 다가오는데요.
There she is.
I found the Red Rose site on the dark web. Where it talks about the gardener. I think he meant Simon, and then his videos, they just stop.
Simon, but you need to drop this.
잠시 후 자야는 다시 사이트의 비밀번호를 풀기 위해 집으로 향합니다.
Where's Ren and Jaya?
Leave a message if you're not a twat.
I wonder what it's like to have someone love you back.
What the fuck? Are you seeing this?
그때 자야는 드디어 비밀번호를 알아내고 사이트에 입장하게 되는데요.
Just walk around. Tell me what am I supposed to do?
하지만 곧바로 레드로즈의 관계자들로부터 공격을 받는 자야. 또한 렌의 친구 애쉬도 누군가의 공격을 받으며 기절하고 말죠.
Whoever killed Rochelle tried killing me and last night attacked Ash. So it can't be Simon. Jaya mentioned something last night. She said about the gardener. It's like a name online.
When was the last time you saw your father?
What?
Trying to piece together what happened last night. When was the last time that you saw your dad?
Yesterday. Why?
그런데 어째선지 경찰은 릭의 행방을 묻고 렌은 조사를 마치고 나오다 자야의 엄마와 마주칩니다.
It's because of you. Mom. Where's Jaya? Dead.
She's stable.
They set fire to Jaya's. She's gone.
No. Fuck. It's my fault. Yesterday I went to see Mrs. Taylor. She gave me an iPad. It had videos of Jacob on it. I gave it to Jaya for Jaya to look at. And
Why didn't you tell us?
I'm sorry. Red Rose has got a site on the dark web. When Jaya tried to log on, it must have found out where she was.
Jaya mentioned something to me yesterday about...
She thought he's the one doing all this.
She said the gardener to me too. What do we do?
Still got your break.
Don't trust anything or anyone that ain't in person.
Well, back return, that wasn't fair.
Rookie error. Turn your back.
그렇게 이들이 다시 레드로즈를 경계하는 사이 집으로 돌아온 앤토니.
Gotta go. My brother's in. Pick something. What should we play?
Not right now, Liam.
Right, I'm back.
Who's that I just heard?
My brother.
Does he like playing games?
그 시각 렌은 연락이 안 되는 아빠가 걱정돼 집을 나서려 하는데요.
Where are you going? Gotta go find Rick and then I'm going to the hospital. The police are asking about him and I need to make sure he's okay. Is that him? What did he say?
That you're not to leave.
This is weird.
What is?
Rick messaged you, but not me. Unless he told you face to face, you can't believe what you fucking read. Or...
한편 자신을 위협하는 검은 차량에게서 도망치고 있는 노아. 그렇게 레드로즈는 점점 렌의 친구들을 타겟으로 삼고 있었죠.
Thanks for staying with her.
We can take it from here now.
I'm gonna go get a drink.
Oh, good. You're away.
Who are you?
Who do you think I am?
Are you the gardener?
Where'd you hear that name?
You're not the gardener.
How do you know I'm not?
You're
A woman? Come on, Noah. You think you know her, but you don't.
What are you doing?
Changing my mind. And between us, she needs you in the finale.
노아가 풀려나는 사이 앤토니는 동생 때문에 잠에서 깨는데요.
Whoa. Someone wants to talk to you.
Hello, Anthony.
I'm gonna need you to wait downstairs at Mum and Dad, yeah?
Liam's hilarious.
You'll leave him the fuck alone.
Beautiful, just beautiful, Anthony. But now you've ruined my fun with Liam. I'm gonna have fun watching your friends die instead.
한편 병원을 지키던 태즈는 수상한 남자가 지나가는 걸 목격합니다. 불길한 마음에 애쉬에게 달려가는 태즈.
Ash? Ash, where are you? Oi, wait. Ashley, where is she?
Your friend. We got a message to move her to a different ward.
Where?
Doesn't say. Why doesn't it say? Wait.
그렇게 렌의 친구들이 다시 병원으로 모이는 사이 태즈는 뜻밖의 인물과 통화를 하는데요.
Hello.
Kaz.
알고 보니 불이 난 집에서 탈출한 자야는 자신의 연구실에서 태즈에게 전화를 걸어온 것이었죠.
Jaya? What the actual fuck?
There's no time. I'm on the Red Rose side. He has Ashley.
I know he does. I was only gone for a sec. He took her.
Where is she?
She's in a box.
Where's the morgue?
Taz is smart. This is dumb. He'll find her.
Yeah. It's hilarious.
황급히 영안실로 가 애쉬를 찾는 태즈.
I thought I lost you.
Get me a brew, I'm freezing.
You right there, kid?
Don't hug me, it hurts.
I'm so glad you're okay.
Come here. Ow! Oh!
It's Jaya.
What? Jaya?
I ain't dead, and the camera following you is off.
What camera?
He's outside.
Where's Ren?
한편 렌은 아빠 릭이 있는 집으로 향하고 있었는데요. 바로 그때
Dad.
At Le Mans Crescent, Rick's waiting for you.
She's just left her dad's, but I can't see her now. Guys, the gardener has Rick.
He's bit.
She's gonna go.
We should go to Rick's.
Guys, there's something you need to know. It's not just the gardener. He's running a network on the dark web. They've been watching us for months with their entertainment. They're working together over Bolton.
그리고 이제 화면은 얼리사를 짝사랑했던 제이컵을 비춥니다.
I've been building an app so I can get to know who she really is.
제이컵은 레드로즈라는 채팅앱을 만들어 얼리사에게 선물해 수많은 대화를 나눴었는데요.
We think it's time you made this IRL and ask her out.
I don't want to rush it. I don't think there's any need to rush it.
Are you serious? Are you actually asking more questions?
Alyssa wants you to tell her what to do. Trust me.
He isn't gonna ask her out. He can't do shit.
No idea what I can do.
결국 홧김에 제이컵은 얼리사의 집에 있는 카메라들을 해킹하기 시작합니다.
You have master access.
Yeah. Everything. Camera, files.
더 이상 숨어서 엿보는 건 나쁘다고 판단한 제이컵은 결국 얼리사에게 고백하기로 마음먹고 그녀에게 향하는데요.
I think we share a lot in common, and I like you.
I like you, but not like that. Jacob.
Yeah, no, that's fine. That's fine. We've got to take these chances. She said she don't like me like that. Why? What is it I did wrong?
You bombed it. After all those questions and you fucking
Why the fuck do I even talk to you?
이때 화난 제이컵이 방을 나가자 정원사라는 닉네임의 친구가 그에게 따로 대화를 신청합니다.
You okay, Rebo?
Yeah. Yeah.
Rejection's hard. We've all been there. But Red Rose can help all of us. I have ideas I can implement for you.
Like what?
Just needs a few tweaks. If you make me admin, I can help get you back on track. We need to tune up the white noise till all she sees is you. You can try again and again until you finally have each other.
Done.
Rest up. Red Rose is in good hands.
그리고 며칠 뒤 제이컵의 친구들은 약속과는 다르게 얼리사를 정신적으로 괴롭히는데 열중하고 있었는데요.
There's a ghost in the TV.
Fuck, she's shitting herself.
What the fuck are you doing? Stop this. Oh, stop.
Mother's home.
You're torturing her, you fucking psychos!
그렇게 얼리사에게 달려간 제이컵은 그만 그녀가 스스로 떨어지는 장면을 목격하고 맙니다.
Holy shit, that was fun.
but she killed herself.
You listen to me. I'm gonna find out who you are, and I'm gonna tell the police.
I'd be very careful about threatening me again.
이렇게 제이컵은 희생된 것이었죠.
They've got cameras everywhere.
Some are watching, some are playing.
Sharing everything to the dark web. I don't know where the gardener is.
I thought Simon was. Simon was a victim too.
The Red Rose site has a record of everything. He hacked into Simon's computer and downloaded child abuse onto it. That's why he killed himself.
He's fucking sick. As soon as I can, I'll call.
I'll be back in a sec.
잠시 후 노아에게 레드로즈 관계자가 말할 겁니다.
Need some change? Shouldn't be talking to you, but I had to.
What do you want?
She's been through so much. I want to help you.
Where's Ren?
I'm going to ask you a question. Has Red Rose changed the way you see the world?
Yeah.
Le Mans Crescent.
I know where she's going.
한편 렌은 이것이 레드로즈에게 중계된다는 사실은 꿈에도 모른 채 릭이 있는 장소로 향하는데요.
Ren.
Dad?
I'm glad you came, Ren. Take a seat. Rochelle would be alive if it weren't for you.
로시가 죽었던 날의 영상을 보여주는 레드로즈.
She's gonna crack.
Go to the garden, Ren.
이때 렌의 친구들이 이곳 지하실로 몰래 들어오고 그 사이 렌은 릭이 있는 방으로 향합니다.
Stop. Hiya, Ren. It's nice to finally meet you.
The gardener.
What's in her name, eh?
Where is she? Can you see her?
She's with the gardener.
Shit.
Ren, get out now!
Jaya, can Red Rose be deleted?
Yeah, I can delete it, but if I do that, there'll be no evidence. These psychos will just walk free and that'll be it.
I don't care. Fuck him up. Get rid of his audience.
그렇게 자야가 사이트를 봉쇄하는 사이 위기에 처하는 렌.
I'm gonna fucking kill you! There she is. Leave now, Ren! Go! If I know Ren, like I think I know Ren, she's not going anywhere. Crazy always wins!
No, don't!
결국 렌은 참아왔던 분노를 터뜨리며 남자를 무참히 살해하고 말죠.
Dad, I had to.
Give it to me. Now go.
Are you okay? What? Oh my God, right, okay? Right, come on. You okay? Yeah?
Jaya. Who are you?
Who do you think I am?
Why did you help us?
Why not?
It worked.
Is she?
I deleted Red Rose.
You can't delete an idea, Jaya.
Jai. Guys.
Take the time to sail them home without today. Know how it's gonna be with the sky.
I fucking love you.
이렇게 로시의 묘 앞에서 인사를 나누는 친구들의 모습과 함께 드라마 레드로즈는 막을 내립니다.